We have found a front beach resort na accessible by land, hindi crowded, pet-friendly at kasyang-kasyang malaking grupo o pamilya. Hey birdies, we spent our long weekend here at JJJ Beach Resort located at Cabangan, Zambales. They have big parking lot, nakakasyang mga kotse, meron din silang iba't ibang sizes ng room na ino-offer. There is aircon in every room kaya naman komportable kayong makakatulog. This is their cottage area where you can eat and chill. Meron na kasamang mga lamesa pero nagdala na rin kami ng folding tables para may patungan yung mga pagkain. Also, dito rin sa area na to yung gate pa-access sa beach. As in, harap na harap talaga, di ka na maglalakad ng pagkalayo-layo mula sa mga kwarto o mula sa cottage nyo. Sand is almost white, napakalinis tignan. And since holiday ngayon, I expected crowd pero halos walang ibang tao para kami nag-book ng private resort. And when I mentioned na magdadala kami ng bola so we can play volleyball, they set up a net dito sa harap for us. And most of all, this resort is pet-friendly. This is the first time na nakapag-beach itong mga fur babies namin na magkakasama dahil madalang ang resort na nag-accept ng pets, especially big dogs. As fur parents, we're very happy that they also get to enjoy this outing at di sila naiwan sa bahay. We really enjoyed our stay here. Bukod sa napakagandang lugar, napakasmooth din ang transaction ko sa kanila. Very accommodating ng mga tao dito. As someone na lagi nag-organize ng family outing, I really appreciate their kindness and compassion towards their guests. If you're looking for home away from home, dito na yon sa JJJ Beach Resort.